Hi all. So in this video we will learn about uh, contains keyword in XPath, right? Okay. So what does that mean, contains? So as shown in the display, so you can see that the structure, right? There are two ways you can write like a HTML element. After the double slash you need to provide HTML element, so which HTML element you are going to capture, right? Then the keyword is contains, right? It's kind of a function, right? Contains, that contains must be might be a text or attribute name, which could be either text or attribute name. If you provide attribute name, you need to provide at sign, right? If it is a text, you need to provide that parenthesis, right? So then if it is a text, so you can provide display text uh, as a part of the word or a full word, right? So if it is a attribute value, for example, if it is a class, right? So you do not need to provide all the class value, but you need to provide either whole class value or part of it, right, as an attribute value. Okay, so we will try this with example, right? So now I'm going to capture that Java automation book. Here you can see that Java automation book. So I'm going to use that contains keyword, right? Okay, so first of all I need to open my inspector, right? Here this is the text Java automation book. Okay, I just copy this display text, right? And I put control F, then I can say like double slash h3, which is a h3 one. Then sorry, then uh, which is called square brackets. uh, so then I can say text contains, right? Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, within that I can say text, comma, then you need to provide the text. Okay, here you can see that one of one. So I have provided actually the whole word, whole sentence like Java automation book, but here I am going to remove that automation book part, which is Java only. Still it returns one of one. So if there are two elements, which is h3 elements, and those are contains Java keyword, this will definitely say one of two. That means it will return two elements, but this time it only provide one element, right? Okay, then we will go with another example. We will take the same thing that captured from the uh, at attribute. Okay, here you can see that so under username, that text field, that placeholder contains two words, enter username. Okay, so we will just click on that. Here this is the this is the element, so which is input element. That placeholder should be enter username, right, which is input. So I change this to input. The element should be input. Contains, this is not at, this is not text, it is at placeholder, right? Okay, so I know the word that display text is enter username, right? Here is still you can see that it's returns one of one. So now I'm going to here first I will remove that username part. Okay, now you can see it return one of two because it contains enter as well as password also contains display text as enter, right? If I remove that enter part, right, enter part, here you can see it returns one of one because placeholder text with username only contains one element, right? Okay, so hope you can remember how to use that contains keyword.